wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 5 best cup sealing machines. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 5. You won't have to switch out film very often thanks to the large capacity of the yumenomori tabletop, which comes ready to work with 95mm containers in a range of materials. So if you're still testing out different suppliers, you'll be covered. It's backed by a 2-year warranty, but it does need an adapter for other sizes, and it's quite expensive given its features. At number 4, the wyzworks semi-automatic is a sturdy stainless steel unit that can handle being moved from one location to another if you're remodeling a retail space. And since it doesn't require a lever or tricky instructions, anyone can use it. Changing film is simple, and you can switch between 2 diameters. However, it doesn't release easily. Coming in at number 3 on our list. If you're working with many varied sizes and operation isn't continuous, the happybuy induction is a real bargain. Though it can't handle a huge volume quickly, it has no moving parts and makes no noise, ensuring a peaceful office environment. This is a highly portable unit that can accommodate glass bottles. It features 500 watts of power. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cup sealing machines, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the koval manual requires a bit more employee attention than pricier models do, but if you're using it in a retail setting, the money you save will be well worth it. It sports a 12.5-inch handle that any worker can operate easily. It's compact to save space and weighs only 28 pounds. Conveniently, the instructions are printed on the unit. And taking the top spot on our list. When you need to churn out a lot of inventory quickly, the vevor Digital has the power to handle the job. This fully automatic model allows for precise control regardless of the film you're using, and it counts the output for you, so it'll be easy to keep track. There are 2 color options, and it can be operated manually if needed too. It has a capacity of up to 650 per hour. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cup sealing machines, or simply click beneath this video.